Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, our today's topic is very interesting topic. We are going to learn about the festivals of our country, that is India. Yes, we have different festivals and you also celebrate different festivals like Holi, Diwali, Dussehra, right? So these all are the different festivals of our India, and we should proud of our India that we have such a wide range of festivals. Okay students, so let's get started with the concept. All right students, some days are the very special days, like weddings, different weddings and birthdays. So these are the special days which people used to celebrate on their particular days. Okay students, so these are the special days. Alright, so now what are religious festivals? Basically, our festivals are divided into two. The one is religious festivals and the another is the national festivals. Okay, so first of all we will learn about religious festivals. Religious festivals कौन से होते हैं? Festivals that are mainly celebrated by the people of different religions. जो अलग अलग religions के लोग होते हैं वो अपना अपना फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. हमने रिलीजन के बारे में पिछली वीडियो में पढ़ा था, right? Like Muslims, they celebrate which festival? Eid, right? And the Hindus, they celebrate which festival? Diwali, Dussehra. Exactly. Now Sikh, they celebrate Gurpurab, right? So festivals are mainly celebrated by the people of different religions. हर religion के people जो हैं वो अपना अपना festival celebrate करते हैं. Okay, so Diwali is the festival of lights. First of all we will talk about Diwali. As you can see in the picture, it is a festival of lights and we worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on this day. और इस डे पे हम किसकी पूजा करते हैं? हम गॉडेस लक्ष्मी की और लॉर्ड गणेश भगवान जी की पूजा करते हैं. All right, so our second festival is Dussehra. Yes, and why we celebrate Dussehra? It is celebrated from the 10 days. ये 10 days के लिए हम celebrate करते हैं. One on the 10th day of Ravana, his brother and son are burnt. और 10th day पे Ravan, this is a Ravan as you can see in the picture. Yes, इसको कौन बर्न करते हैं? इसको कौन जलाते हैं? रामचंद्र जी. Yes, it is the celebration of victory of good over the evil. और ये किसका सिंबल है? बुराई पे अच्छाई की जीत का. Yes, so Dussehra is the another festival. Next is the Christmas. Yes, I hope everybody enjoy the festival of Christmas. अब हम Christmas क्यों celebrate करते हैं? Lord Jesus Christ was born on 25th December. Yes, इस दिन किसका birth हुआ था? Lord Jesus Christ का. Yes, we celebrate his birthday as a Christmas. और हम उनका birthday celebrate करते हैं किस form में? Christmas की form में. On Christmas, people go to church to pray. अब Christmas पे जो क्रिश्चियंस होते हैं वो कहाँ जाते प्रे करने के लिए? चर्चेस में. They decorate Christmas trees on this day. As you can see in the picture, the Christmas tree is decorated in the picture and Santa Claus is there and lots of gifts are there. So they decorate Christmas trees on this day. Next is Eid. Who celebrate Eid? Muslims. Yes, Eid comes after a month of fasting. हम फास्ट करते हैं. Yes, सेम मुस्लिम्स भी फास्ट करते हैं और ये ईद फास्टिंग के बाद आती है. On Eid, people wear new clothes and go to the mosques to pray. Same as in the Christmas, Christians go to churches. But here on Eid, Muslims, they wear new clothes and where they go? वो कहाँ पे जाते हैं? मुस्लिम्स कहाँ जाते हैं? मॉस्क्यूज में प्रे करने के लिए. ओके, they wish each other Eid Mubarak. A special dish called sevaiya is prepared on this day. Yes, it's a sweet dish which is to be cooked by these Muslims. Okay, students, so Eid is celebrated by the Muslims. All right, so our next festival is Gurpurab. Who celebrate Gurpurab? Sikh people, yes. And it is the festival to remember the 10th Guru. हम क्यों celebrate करते हैं गुरपुरब? हमारे 10th गुरु को याद करने के लिए. People go to gurdwaras to pray, yes. And on Gurpurab, Sikh people, where Sikh people go? The people who belong to Sikhism, who belong to the Sikh religion, where they go to the Gurdwara to pray. And langars are served at different places. And on this day, in each and every Gurdwara, langars are served. Right? What are langars? Free meals. They are called as the langars. So langars are served at different places. All right. Now these all are the religious festivals based on the different religions. Now what are national festivals? अब national festivals कौन से होते हैं? Festivals which are celebrated by all the Indians. जो वो फेस्टिवल जो सारे इंडियन सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, whether they are Sikh, whether they are Muslims, whether they are Hindus, whether they are Christians, whatever they are belong to any religion, we all celebrate national festivals. Why? Because we all are Indians, no matter from from which religion we belongs to, but just because we are Indians, live in Indian we live in India, so that's why we celebrate these national festivals, and they are celebrated all over the country. और ये हमारी पूरी country में celebrate किए जाते हैं. Okay, so now name the national festivals. The first is Republic Day. Right. Now, what is Republic Day? Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. हर साल हम 26 जनवरी को Republic Day celebrate करते हैं. India formed its own government on this day. And why we celebrate Republic Day? Because इस दिन क्या हुआ था? हमारी गवर्नमेंट बनी थी. इंडिया ने अपनी गवर्नमेंट बनाई थी. So that's why we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. And second festival is Independence Day. Yes, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Every year we celebrate this Independence Day on 15th August. India became free from the British rule on this day. और इस दिन क्या हुआ था? हमारा जो इंडिया है वो ब्रिटिशर्स के रूल से फ्री हो गया था. And last but not the least is Gandhi Jayanti. Who is he? He is Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, the father of the nation. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. कब celebrate किया जाता है? 22nd October. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation, was born on this day. Yes, we also call them as the father of our nation. Okay, okay, students. I hope you understand this concept very well. Let's recapitulate it one more time. So, now festivals we celebrate in our country. These are the religious festivals and these are the national festivals. Our festivals are divided into two categories. The one is religious festivals and the another is national festivals. Now, what are religious festivals? Festivals celebrated by the people of different religion. जो different religion के people होते हैं, like Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikh, they all are people belong to different religions. जो religion के basis पे festival celebrate किए जाते, they are called as religious festivals, like Diwali, Christmas, Dussehra, Eid, Gurpurab. Right? And what are national festivals? Festivals celebrate by all the Indians, जो सारे Indians, अब सब Indians में Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Sikh, everyone is included, and they all celebrate national festivals no matter from which religion they belongs to. Okay, so national festivals में कौन कौन से आते हैं हमारे? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Alright students, I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.